natin kung anong meron dito. Maybe private, but silipin natin yung mga tanim. May mga tanim dito eh. Wow! Cool. Angel. The areas in the vicinity of these are subject to the landslip areas. Oh, okay. Ah, there's... Wow, may papaya. Ang galing. May garden sila dito, guys. You know. May pwede kang magtanim-tanim dito ng pechay papaya. Wow. Sana all. Maraming saging din. May ano. Ayun, oh. May garden dyan. Diba guys, ang ganda ng kagubatan dito. So guys, samahan niyo ako sa pag-hiking for today. Hiking tayo kasi kailangan tayo magbawas ng timbang. Medyo bumibigat na. So, kailangan ko mag-exercise. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako sa aking walking adventure. Balik na tayo guys. Doon na tayo sa ano. Grabe ang aircon. Imagine that the aircon is full. Ito naman sa init. Mahal ang bayad dito. Parang villa siya guys. Villa. Kasi may gate, may guards sila. So, of course, mahal ang upa. Imagine, no? In one island, then they can put up like this. Ang kagandang ano. Wow. Reta. Sayang. Sayang. Parang wala na siya nakatira. Tapos ito din yung ganda. Wow. Nabibila to. kabundukan. Hindi ko alam. Pasukin natin ito isa ulit, pero I think this is private property. No, may ano ba to? Hindi pa wild berries yan. May garden siya dito. Marami siyang sabaong. May papaya din. I think private property pa ng Pilipinas. Pero ang ganda, no? Ay, grabe. Ang init. Pula-pula na. Cute, guys. Papawis ito. Guys. Kailangan natin magpapayat. Good for health na rin. Oh, grabe yung papaya na tumba na. Pero, nagbubunga pa rin. Ang init. Ito na, hiking ako. Hiking day. Mag-hike muna tayo bago magluto ng dinner. Friday today. Ang ganda ng design ng kahoy, oh. Wow. So maglakad tayo dito sa may kagubatan. Although safe naman, guys, kasi as you can see, simento yung mga hikingan dito. Oh, ano ba yun? Parang ito ba yung mushroom na nakakain? Ang ganda. Naging letter Y siya until there. Ang cool. Guys, ang ganda ng weather for today. See, the sky is blue. And there's a lot of coconut. Wow. Nice one. And there's an airplane. That's the mansion. Before we took photo here, guys. Pero ngayon they put barricade na. Oh, ganda. Nice one. So there's an advantage of living in an island because like you can walk, free exercise, free adventure. Ganun, guys. So no need to go in the gym and pay for the hourly range. So maglakad-lakad na lang, papait ka na, of course, with the proper diet. Anyways, kung gusto niyo pumunta dito lang yan. Kung gusto niyo puntahan yung mini Great Wall ng Chung Chau, yung rock, ito yun, guys. Tingnan niyo na dito sa mapa. Ito yung Love Rock, Puffin, Eagle, Goat Rock, Human, Elephant, Rock Skull, Rock of the Sleeping Crane, Rodent, Camel Rock, Turtle, Zombie Rock, and the entrance of the Little Great Wall is here. Ito, guys, from the beach, guys. So ito yan, Little Great Wall. Yan. Dito ka manggagaling. Pag may from the beach, pag may nakita ka ng temple, ayan, oh. Yung temple, then may arrow naman siya. And from that temple, from the left, ayan na yung entrance. Yan na, guys, yung entrance. Ito. Yun. Little Great Wall na, tapos yung mga rock dyan. Yan, guys. Okay. Ito yung temple. Uso talaga dito at maraming bamboo, guys. So, ito yung nag-viral sa Pilipinas na aba-aba, but seen here, it's just free. That's it. Okay, let's go back. Yun yung mansion. House of the Prayer, Puffing Road. Okay, let's go back now. I think we're to that's where I came from. Ganda ng bagong house. Di ko alam to kung ito ba yung lemongrass or ano. Basta maraming ganyan dito. O yan yung kinakain ng kalabaw. Not sure. Ito. This one, ito yung papuntang beach. Private beach. There's a mansion in the middle of the island. Imagine, guys, napaka-nature lover ng may-ari nito. And this is the may entrance gate din dito. Napaka-ano. Ito yung kinakain. Ano ba? Bugnay ba yan? Not sure. Bamboo is very useful here for scaffolding, guys. Yan. Aray ko, para bang kinagat ako ng lamok. Okay, ibas lang. Yan naman sana. Ayun, yung Pavilion. Imagine hanggang tuktok yun. Meron pang ano. Meron pang oh my God. Anyway, yun yung helipad. Yun, nakikita nyo na yun. Helipad yan. But in case of emergency, and they could transport, ano. Yun ang sabi nila. Ito, halagugin na lang natin. Lubos-lubosin na natin kung ano meron dito. Solo hike ko ngayon. Wow, ang daming saging guys. Oh, ayan oh, kita nyo? Saging. Sana all. Dito pala pwedeng humingi tayo kung gusto natin mag-suman or so whatever. So guys, hanggang dyan na lang. Pauwi na ako. I want to run fast as I can. So, salamat guys again sa pagsubaybay sa aking premiere. Thank you very much. Thank you sa mga collab team, mga co-members ko, mga co-admins, co-founders, Madam Reza, Tines, Kote, Tynes, ano pa, lahat ng team anyway, Global and MC YouTubers. Bye guys, thank you, and have a good day, and God bless us all. Bye!